Bucklands school zone, tick. Waterfront walks, tick. Eateries around the corner, tick. 4 beautiful bedrooms, tick. Stunning outdoor living, also tick. Oh, hello everyone. I'm Hara from Ray White, presenting this immaculate sweet home in the heart of Bucklands Beach and number 3 Basilton Close. Let's explore this beauty. Shall we go?
That's how we value our family time in this amazing home. Cheers!
So if this house ticks all your boxes, I'm sure I will see you at our open homes or give me a call to arrange private viewings.